Throw out those old recipes for orange chicken. This one kicks the Panda expressly into the long bamboo. You can use your own favourite orange soda, but you know I'm a fanta of one type. The sauce is zingy, sweet and sour, with a little heat from the hot sauce and chili flakes. Kids will love this. If you don't want to make the chicken from scratch, get some good quality chicken nugs and make this sauce. It literally takes 5 minutes and is so much better than any mall bought takeout. Here's the ingredients list. I'll put a copy of these down in the comments below so you can copy. First we'll make the sauce and keep it to one side to reheat when the chicken has finished frying. So into a cold pan, you know the first ingredient, it's the orange soda. I'm using little airplane size cans here. It reminds me of air travel, which as it's locked down here I can't do, but hey ho. One normal size can though is the quantity we need. Next, add all of the rest of the ingredients, making sure the cornflour is fully dissolved and bringing it up to a gentle boil while stirring. Once at a boil, pop the lid on and put to one side to reheat later. Next, let's prep the chicken. I'm using chicken breast this time instead of the usual thigh, as I want the chicken to look nice and it's sometimes difficult with thigh meat. So let's cut this into bite-sized chunks. Let's start the coating process. Crack the eggs into a bowl. Darn it, inevitably you get a little shell in it. Once you've fumbled around to get the shell out, whisk them to combine. Pop the cornflour into a bowl and season with salt and pepper. Then the secret-ish ingredient is a teaspoon of baking powder. This will make the batter coating nice and bubbly. Give them a good mix. Let's go ahead and put the fryer or oil on and heat to 170 degrees Celsius or 340 degrees Fahrenheit. It's batter time, baby. Coat a chunk of chicken in the egg, then roll and coat in the cornflour mixture. Do this to 7 or 8 chunks. As we'll have to batch fry the chicken, they won't all fry at once. Once heated, carefully drop these one by one into the oil for 5 minutes until the outside is crisp and golden. You can keep these under foil to keep warm while the other batches fry. Repeat until you've used all of your chicken. Now let's reheat the sauce and bubble away for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. It should have a nice thick consistency. When it's ready, coat your chicken with a tangy thick sauce and it's ready to serve. So there you have it. This American-made Chinese recipe is really kicked up a notch by this unique sauce. So if you like this video, why not subscribe and see what's coming up next? And here's another recipe just there in the corner. If you don't subscribe, I'll send C3PO around to talk constantly to you in all 6 million languages he's fluent in, so there's an incentive. Until next time, bye!